Hello and welcome back to MW Barbie Dolls. Today I have this new Teresa kitchen, which has a lot of cool stuff which you cannot really see through the plastic on camera, so let's open it up. Much better. Now I can actually show you everything that this came with. First, I'm going to take the new Teresa doll out of the box, and her hair is actually really soft. Just needs to be smoothed down a little bit, but I actually really like how she looks. And her shoes did fall off, so I'm just going to go ahead and put them back on. And also, I just love this apron. I watched the movie. It was a gift from her abuela, which I really liked. And moving on to the other stuff that this set came with, which includes this thingy. I'm not a chef or anything, like I don't know anything about cooking, so I actually don't know what that is. But it also came with this turkey, I think. I don't eat meat, so I think that's a turkey. And then this pot, which I assume is where she's going to be cooking the tamales. This set also came with some plates and silverware. Then, of course, said tamales, which I am going to put in the blue pot. And then it also came with some, like, condiment type things, I think. And I think that's kind of cool. And then it also came with this beautiful tray, which I really like, if I can ever get it out of here. Yes, okay. I really like the design that's on it. It also came with some carrots, maize, corn, and then we've got a tomato. And then finally this cutting board, which I assume you can put all the vegetables on to cut them. It also came with this knife. So now I'm just going to move all of this stuff out of the way, so that way I can open the actual kitchen piece. So in this other area, we've got these cookies and these tongs, and then also this dabber brush thing, which I think you use to color change the cookies, which is kind of cool. And so now that I've gotten the kitchen piece out, the turkey in here, which I think I saw on the cover of the box, and so I think that's where it's meant to go. And then you can just turn it to cook it and stuff. And then I'm just gonna bring all the stuff back onto the counter of the kitchen piece. As for the color changing cookies, I'm going to use the dabber brush under cold water, which I did, and the cover just says to rub it straight onto the cookies, which I am doing, and nothing is happening. And I definitely used cold water, and then I looked again at the front, it says cold water. I also tried with hot water, still nothing, and I don't know what to do. So I'm just gonna take a look at the instructions. Consulting the instructions, I see that it says icy water, so I'm gonna go ahead and use an ice cube. Also, I painted my nails and I'm really proud of myself. So back to the cookies, I'm gonna use an ice pack. And finally, it's actually showing up the color changing component, which is good. Let me pick that up. Reset. Buen provecho, mis amigas. As always, thank you for watching my video, and you have to like and subscribe. It's Hispanic Heritage Month, so you've got to support this Latina artist. Thanks, bye!